Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where real classic motorcycles meet real listings across America. Number 1. 1973 Norton 750 Commando, Oquawka, Illinois, $7,000. This early 1973 Norton 750 Commando is a true British icon with the kind of provenance collectors love. Built in January of '73, this is a numbers-matching bike purchased directly from the original owner with known history since new. That alone puts it in a different category from most Commandos on the market today. It has been carefully revived after sitting with many new parts installed, and it usually starts on the first kick, a big deal for a vintage British twin. Once running, it rides well and delivers that unmistakable Commando feel, raw, mechanical, and engaging. With a clean title in hand and honest, used but good condition, this is not a polished museum piece, but a real rider that still respects its originality. A solid opportunity for anyone looking to own a genuine, documented British classic. Number 2. 1988 Honda Shadow VLX 600, Grimes, Iowa, $2,600. The Honda Shadow VLX 600 has quietly earned a reputation as one of the most reliable mid-size cruisers ever built. This 1988 example shows just over 13,500 miles and presents as a clean, well-kept classic that's ready to ride. The seller notes recent carburetor cleaning and a new battery, and it reportedly runs great with no accident history. The VLX offers classic cruiser proportions with Honda's proven V-twin reliability, making it an excellent option for riders who want vintage style without vintage headaches. Its manageable size, comfortable riding position, and smooth power delivery make it ideal for both newer riders and experienced owners looking for a dependable classic. With reasonable offers considered, this Shadow represents strong value in today's classic motorcycle market. Number 3. 1979 Harley-Davidson Low Rider, Mattoon, Illinois, $5,000. Few names carry as much weight as the Harley-Davidson Low Rider, and this 1979 shovelhead-powered example delivers classic Harley attitude at a very approachable price. With just under 19,000 miles, this bike has been recently refreshed with new tires, brakes, and chain. According to the seller, it starts, runs, and rides great, exactly what buyers want to hear with a shovelhead. Finished in black and backed by a manual transmission, this lowrider represents the late 70s era when Harley style was raw, muscular, and unmistakably American. It's not presented as a show bike, but rather a solid rider that can be enjoyed immediately. For anyone looking to get into a real shovelhead without paying premium collector prices, this is a compelling listing. Number 4. 1980 Yamaha XS, Mission, Kansas, $2,900. This 1980 Yamaha XS has been transformed into a clean, straightforward street tracker that balances classic Yamaha reliability with a custom look. Showing just over 9,200 miles, it's described as running well and equipped with a new battery and a good title. The XS platform is widely respected for its durable engine and simple mechanical design, making it a favorite among custom builders and vintage riders alike. This example keeps things tasteful and functional, avoiding extreme modifications while still standing out from stock. It's the kind of bike that works equally well as a weekend back road machine or a daily classic commuter. For under $3,000, it offers vintage character, usability, and style without unnecessary complexity. Number 5. 1976 BMW R90/6, Greenville, Texas, $3,975. The BMW R90/6 represents the golden era of air-cooled boxer twins, and this 1976 example reflects the kind of honest ownership many enthusiasts appreciate. With nearly 64,000 miles, this bike has clearly been ridden and cared for rather than stored away. Originally owned by a BMW collector as his regular rider, it remains in running and riding condition today. While not perfect, it comes with a new battery, functioning gauges, and even includes a digital carb sync tool and supplies for a full fluid change. The R90/6 is known for its smooth power delivery, long-distance comfort, and legendary durability. For riders who value mechanical integrity over cosmetic perfection, this BMW offers serious classic touring potential at a very reasonable price. Number 6. 1979 Kawasaki KZ 650, Wilmette, Illinois, $2,000. This 1979 Kawasaki KZ 650 is a low-mileage Japanese classic that blends reliability with classic four-cylinder performance. Showing just over 11,600 miles, it has been regularly ridden by the seller and is described as running and riding nicely. One standout feature is the Vance & Hines 4x1 exhaust, which gives the bike a strong, aggressive sound without sacrificing rideability. The KZ series helped define Kawasaki's reputation for powerful, durable street bikes in the late 1970s, and the 650 strikes a great balance between performance and everyday usability. With a flexible seller and a very accessible asking price, this KZ 650 represents one of the best entry points into classic Japanese motorcycling. Number 7. 1974 Moto Guzzi 850, Monticello, Indiana, $5,000. This 1974 Moto Guzzi 850 is a rare opportunity to acquire a low-mile Italian classic with just over 6,100 miles showing. Having spent many years stored in a garage, it remains largely untouched and retains the distinctive character Moto Guzzi is known for. The transverse V-twin layout, shaft drive, and unmistakable presence make these bikes stand out in any vintage lineup. While it has been sitting, the low mileage and originality make it an attractive candidate for careful recommissioning or preservation. For collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate Italian engineering with a unique personality, this Guzzi offers something genuinely different from the usual British and Japanese classics. Number 8. 1980 Suzuki GN400X Cafe Racer, Elkhorn, Nebraska, $3,800. This restored 1980 Suzuki GN400X Cafe Racer is a standout example of a thoughtfully rebuilt vintage single. With just 5,700 original miles, it features extensive mechanical work, including a major engine rebuild, new carburetor, fresh drivetrain components, upgraded brakes, and modern lighting. Compression numbers are strong, and the bike reportedly kickstarts easily. Finished with factory paint and excellent condition, it blends originality with smart upgrades that improve reliability and ride quality. The GN400X is lightweight, responsive, and fun to ride, making it a great choice for enthusiasts who want a classic that's already been sorted. Clean title and detailed service history add to its appeal. Number 9. 1966 Ducati Scrambler, Chicago, Illinois, $5,000. This 1966 Ducati Scrambler has one of the most interesting backstories in this lineup. Discovered partially buried in a collapsing garage over a decade ago, it was rescued and reimagined rather than restored to stock. Race-prepped modifications, a lightweight FG tank, and a custom bobber-style setup give this Ducati a one-of-a-kind presence. The frame has been powder-coated, bearings replaced, and custom upholstery added, resulting in a bike that embraces its history while standing apart from traditional restorations. It's not for purists, but for riders who appreciate character, storytelling, and individuality, this Scrambler offers something truly unique in the classic Ducati world. Number 10. 1982 Yamaha Virago, Warrenton, Missouri, $900. Rounding out the list is this 1982 Yamaha Virago, an affordable classic V-twin project with plenty of potential. Showing over 32,000 miles, it currently runs and drives but has a carb-related fuel issue that needs sorting. Cosmetically, it's in decent shape with custom ghost flames on the tank and no major damage noted. The Virago line helped redefine Japanese cruisers in the early 1980s, offering shaft drive, strong performance, and distinctive styling. With a clean title and negotiable price, this is an excellent entry-level project for someone looking to get into classic motorcycles without a big upfront investment. For more classic motorcycles for sale from real listings across the USA, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer and ride history with us.